TikTok terminology. Decode the lingo. Hello learners. Today, we're going to dive into a digital ocean of English idiomatic expressions. We're exploring the exciting world of TikTok idioms. It's a unique platform with its own lingo, so let's break down some popular TikTok-specific idiomatic expressions and how you can use them in your everyday English conversations. TikTok is a global phenomenon, a social media platform that is redefining how we use and interpret language. With its focus on short video content, often combined with music, this platform has given birth to a new world of expressions and idioms. Let's dive in. Here are some of the most widely used idioms on TikTok. For you page or FYP. When you hear people referring to FYP, they're talking about the For You page. This is TikTok's main feed, which curates content it believes the user will enjoy. Example: I spent hours on my FYP last night. It's so addictive. Throwing it back. This is not your regular Throwback Thursday post. In the TikTok world, throwing it back is a popular dance move. It's not just about the dance, but it's also used metaphorically when talking about any trend that cycles back into popularity. Example: that song is so catchy, I'm thinking of throwing it back in my next video. Spilling the tea. This idiom originated in the drag community and was popularized by TikTok. To spill the tea means to share gossip or reveal truthful, often juicy, information. Example: did you watch Jake's latest video? He was totally spilling the tea about the drama. While these idioms have risen to fame via TikTok, they're not confined to this platform. You can use them in everyday conversations to sound more current or to connect with younger English speakers. Example: my friend was spilling the tea about our high school reunion. Apparently, it was quite the event. And that's a wrap. We've just taken a whirlwind tour of TikTok idioms. Remember, language is always evolving, particularly in the dynamic world of social media. The next time you're on TikTok, keep an ear out for these idioms and see if you can catch some new ones. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time, learners.